Hello and welcome to Excel tips. Now this is a quick one for you, man. So I have the report open right here, as you see. I'm just going to go ahead and take a look at these dates because these are the columns that you are having problems with. If you take a look at them, they are actual dates. This column should be quote unquote a date column, but how it looks right now, it's essentially just a text. So Excel doesn't know how to sort it. It's going to try to sort it just by the first character and move on that way, since it is a text. However, if you go into the cell and then hit enter, that was very subtle. I'll show it over here as well. You'll see the date moved over to the right. It's a right justification, letting us know that it's actual computed as a date by Excel, as you see it happen right over there. Well, we'll do it again. Now, this report has way too many lines to enter into each cell and hit enter to get Excel to notice that it is a date format. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the column, go over to data, perform a text to columns, delimited. This shouldn't matter because all the data that's in here is separated with spaces. So as long as space isn't selected, it should just go right into the same column, not create any additional columns, and not overwrite anything. So we'll just go ahead and click next and finish as a general data format. And you'll see everything moved over to the right now. We'll do the same for this one. Text to columns, make sure it's delimited. We're good here, goes into the same column, and just click finish, and boom! Now, when we perform our sort, it's going to do it by date and time. And that's it. That's all your data. Quickly updated, refreshed, and easily sortable by date. Let me know if you have any questions.